Okay, 60163, Flying Scotsman. Light engine move on support coach. Heading back to Bury East Lancs. This is, yeah. This he went to the Mid Hants from February to March, and now he's on his way home. On the way to Bury to do some winter maintenance. Sorry for my cough, viewers. This is. Oh, there he comes now. Here. Right, here we go. I don't think it's not going to stop. It's going to stop because it's going to have a brief stop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's got about at least a while before the next service train, hasn't it?
Yeah, the next one is 10:40, so it's 11 minutes stay here.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
It's 10:36.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next passenger train is 10:40, so it's 4 minutes.
Yeah. Mate, it stopped. Sorry, mate, I was just watching out for the train, that's all. Sorry, sir. I was just trying to watch out. Oh, it's moving on again. Yeah, I will get it. Sorry, sir. I just was keeping an eye out for the Scotsman, mate, sir. Sorry, viewers, I was talking to a gentleman here with a woolly hat on, sir. There you go, viewers, a guy and gentleman. There you go. Should put my tripod. Choo-choo! There it comes now. There he goes, pushing now. It's Scotsman now, viewers. Yep. Oh, it's the same as usual. There you go. Scotsman's back on the main line. Hi guys. Huh. Oh. There, whistle, mate. Whistle. Thank you. Hi, mate. Oh, another passing by. Sorry, mate. Did I get in your way there? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. That was quite quick, wasn't it?
Got a video of it.
That was quite quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, very quick.
He didn't even stop at all.
No.
Very annoying, wasn't it? He didn't even first take water.
Yeah.